As a certified Microsoft partner, Carbon Finch gains early access to new technologies, support and resources from Microsoft, and this is of great importance in contributing to tailoring solutions to the very specific needs and requirements of the clients. Identifying clients' needs, requirements, challenges and pain points is the first and most fundamental point in establishing a long-term relationship with our clients and showing a genuine interest to their customer success, being their most trusted Microsoft Dynamics partner. As an outcome-focused and transparent Microsoft Dynamics consultancy, identifying the needs, requirements, challenges and pain points of our clients is of paramount importance in establishing a long-term relationship by showing a genuine interest to their customer success.